Did you ever feel like you are stuck in a video editing labyrinth? I feel you. I've been there myself. So if you are a hustling content creator and you're figuring out the best way to trim your videos, then I've got that AI magic wand for you. It's in the name. It is Kapwing's Smart Cut. So say goodbye to all the stress of trimming your videos manually and say hello to Kapwing. So in this video, we're going to talk about how you can use Kapwing to trim your videos automatically, and make sure to stay tuned at the end because I also have another solution for you just in case you don't want to mess with AI tools and you want to focus on your zone of genius, which is creating and recording videos. All right, to kick things off, let's head on to Kapwing's Smart Cut homepage. Once you're on the homepage, try Kapwing free. So once you're here, you are directly taken into the Smart Cut editing feature, and you are able to choose different ways to upload your video. So you can drag and drop a file here. You can also paste the video URL as long as it's public. And then you can also take it from Google Drive, Google Photos, and you can even try a sample if you don't want to upload your own video. So I'm going to go ahead and upload a short video so you can see how fast it is processing. So I immediately see here the timeline displayed and the areas that are need to cut. So it's very easy to use. It has tutorials. Use Smart Cut to automatically trim your video to remove silences and unwanted footage. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. So as you can see, when I clicked Smart Cut, it automatically detected all the silences here in this video, and you can see that with the red highlights. So I can also use silence sensitivity if I want to adjust how the silences are calculated. The higher the slider, the more silences Kapwing will detect. But for now, I really think that this is perfect without even messing with the silence sensitivity. But if you want to be more precise and just add a little bit more of editing, you can easily move the sliders to signify other areas that needs to be cut. Once you're satisfied, just click done, and voila! As you can see, all of the red highlights are gone and the silences are removed. So that's literally how easy it is to use Kapwing Smart Cut. There are other smart tools such as Magic Create, Video Generator, and Transcript Editor. So this is my favorite tool. Thanks to Julia, CEO and co-founder at Kapwing, because she mentioned this feature to me. So with Transcript Editor, you are able to trim with the transcript. And that means that you don't have to go to the video timeline here. And instead, you are able to edit the text. So if you delete a text, it will automatically remove it from the video timeline. So currently, I am generating the transcript for this video, so I can go ahead and edit it. So the Smart Cut is great for detecting silences, but there are a few words that I want to remove from my video. And as you can see here, it automatically detected the silences and the bad takes, but I can also delete this entire block here because I really don't think that is necessary for this video. So it's much easier to edit the text if you are a writer like me instead of going into the video timeline. So once you're satisfied with your edits, you can go ahead and export your project. So you are able to export in different formats such as MP4, GIF, PNG, MP3, and of course you also have the option to choose the resolution, but most of the time it will just default to the auto resolution, and this is actually a great feature for me. What I love about their export feature is that there is a compression level wherein you can adjust the file size without changing the resolution. That's a small feature, but it's actually a big thing, especially when you're exchanging a bunch of videos with a client or with your video editor. So go ahead and click export. You have the ability to edit the settings here where a notification chime will play when the export finishes. So I can also copy the link and then share it with someone who wants to view the project, or I can just go ahead and download the video if it's ready for publishing. There are many advantages in using Kapwing Smart Cut or Kapwing in general. First, it is very user-friendly. I was able to cut my videos in less than 2 minutes. I didn't have to go into the help section and figure out a way to do that. No matter how tech-savvy you are, some tools are just harder to use. The second advantage of using Kapwing Smart Cut is that the AI is very accurate in determining the silences and areas where to cut. So that actually saves you a lot of time and a lot of brain bandwidth deciding which areas to cut. So Kapwing is specifically designed to detect silences in your stream. So for example, in this video that I'm shooting right now, this section is probably just 2 minutes. long, but sometimes the footage is 10 minutes just because there's a lot of starting and stopping, and sometimes I have to pause completely to internalize the script that I have written. What I love the most about Kapwing Smart Cut is that it's super fast in processing your videos. So for example, when I uploaded a 4-minute video, it actually took just a few seconds to process that, and it automatically and immediately showed me the areas which the AI has cut. So with other AI tools, you usually have to submit your videos or submit the URL, and then it will email you once it's done. While there's nothing wrong with that process, I just love being able to see the timelines and the areas that are cut. I feel that it's a much more streamlined process than waiting for an email telling me that my video has been processed. And the last great thing about Kapwing is that it goes beyond trimming. There's a lot of optimizations options for your video. You're able to edit your video beyond the trimmings, or you're able to add transitions, effects, and also you're able to generate the transcript and edit the transcript. It is a great video editing tool all in all. And while Kapwing has a lot of advantages, there are also some things that you might want to consider if you are planning to use Kapwing. For example, the free version is too limiting. You are only able to upload up to 4 minutes of video footage if you want to use the free version of cutting the silences. I think the free version is more of like really a trial of what Kapwing can do, and you can't really use it for longer projects or very simple projects that are recurring every month. And based on what I've heard from other creators who had a bad experience, they don't have the most responsive customer support. Of course, I haven't personally tried their customer support yet, but they do have an extensive YouTube tutorial where they walk you through practically every feature of Kapwing. So that for me usually works out. But if you're someone who likes to chat and have real-time conversation with the support, then you might want to reconsider Kapwing. One thing that you need to consider when choosing Kapwing is, of course, its pricing. You want to know if it's within your budget. You'll be happy to know that the pricing for Kapwing is actually great. It's only $16 per month for the Pro plan if you choose to be billed annually, and it's $24 per month if you choose to be billed monthly. So that's actually the plan that I have right now. So earlier we discussed the free plan, which allows you to upload up to 4 minutes of video, and you have to know that when you export the video, it has the Kapwing watermark. So with the Pro plan, you are able to create and upload longer videos with up to 120 minutes. You also have access to auto subtitle and auto translate of your videos for up to 300 minutes per month. And of course, you don't have the watermark for the Pro plan. There are more features included in the Pro plan, such as access to 4K video qualities. So make sure to go to Kapwing's pricing so you can check if the features that you want are in the Pro plan. You have to contact sales in order to know the pricing. That's most likely because it is customized based on what you need, but for most creators, the Pro plan is already perfect. The main difference with Enterprise plan is that it's unlimited everything. So there's no limit as to how many videos you can upload and how many videos you can auto-transcribe and translate. Personally, I prefer the Pro plan just because it already has the Kapwing Smart Cut plus all the other features. So again, it will depend what other tools that you have, because if you already have a video editing tool, then you probably don't need Kapwing. AI tools like Kapwing is great for trimming videos, but that also means that you're going to go into the tool, make the necessary settings and adjustments, edit it a little bit more so that it perfectly fits your project and your style. So that still takes time away from the main thing that you really want to do. So if you want to have a hands-off approach of video trimming and video editing, I highly suggest working with us at Vidpros. We are an on-demand video editing company where you get access to fractional video editors with a simple monthly subscription. So you don't have to think about which tools to get. Our video editors are equipped with the latest technology when it comes to video editing. All you have to do is record your videos, upload it into Google Drive or into Dropbox, and share that with one of our video editors. We actually created a very comprehensive video of the best path you can choose when it comes to trimming or clipping your videos. So make sure to watch that video so that you can decide which option is for you that goes beyond AI tools, because there are actually 4 options that you can choose when it comes to trimming your videos. That brings us to the end of this video where you learned about Kapwing Smart Cut and all of its other amazing features, why it's great for you or probably not so great for you. Remember that AI tools is designed to make it easier and streamlined for you, but it has its own limitations. That's why it's very important to explore all of the options available for you, like other tools or services like Vidpros. Make sure to watch our other video where we rounded up 5 game-changing AI tools. Actually, Kapwing Smart Cut is included in that video, but we also have other in-depth tutorial of each AI trimming tool like Opus Clip. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you get access to all of that amazing goodies. For more tips and tricks around AI video editing tools, make sure to subscribe to the Vidpros channel. My name is Irene Chan, and I'll see you in the next video.